Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 2.1% in the last session after gaining as much as 2.8% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose more than $1, recouping some of the losses in the previous session as a rise of demand in Europe and the United States outweighed concerns over a rise of COVID-19 cases in Asian countries. The Canadian dollar edged higher against its U.S. counterpart as a rebound in oil prices offset broader gains for the greenback, with investors awaiting U.S. inflation data. Hackers have breached blockchain-based platform Polynetwork and extracted more than $600 million in cryptocurrencies, marking the biggest hack ever in the DeFi space.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's 10-year bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 600 GMT, the UK's RICS Housing Price Balance at 2301 GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index will be released at 2350 GMT, the US Consumer Price Index Core at 1230 GMT, the US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.